Namo Namaha, myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Vibhakti Mala, Part 1. Vibhakti Mala. Mala means a garland, Vibhakti means a Vibhaktis. A garland of Vibhaktis. In Bhasha Sutra 2, already we learn the Vibhaktis. In this Vibhakti Mala, we are going to learn how to use the Vibhaktis in the shlokas. There are 9 shlokas in this lesson. 8 shlokas explain the use of 8 cases, means Vibhakti, and 1 shloka in which all the singular forms of all the cases of the word Rama in it. So let's start. Dharmo jayati na dharmah, satyam jayati na nrutam, Jama jayati na krodho, devo jayati na surah. In this shloka, the Prathama Vibhakti is used. Dharmo jayati. Jayati, it's a let lakar, means to win. Dharmo jayati. Always the right becomes victorious. Always the dharma wins. Na adharmaha. Not adharmaha, means not the wrong. Not the wrong. Satyam jayati na nrutam. Satyam, truth. Always the truth conquer, means the truth wins. Na anrutam. Not the wrong. Kshama jayati na krodho. Kshama, forgiveness. Forgiveness always wins. Na krodho, not the anger. Devo jayati na asuraha. Deva, God. Always God wins, not the asuraha, means demon. So here is asuraha, dharmaha, kshama are given in Prathama Vibhakti. See the translation. The right becomes victorious, not the wrong. The truth conquer, not the falsehood. Forgiveness wins, not anger. God wins, not demon. See the grammar. Jayati. It's a let lakaraha. In this shloka, the Ditya Vibhakti is used. Vasudevam sutam devam Kansa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Vande. Vande means bow. I bow down. To whom? Devam, God. I bow down to the God. Who was? Vasudeva Sutam. Sutam means son. Who was the son of Vasudeva? Kansa Chanura Mardanam. Who destroyed or killed the Kansa and Chanura. Devaki Paramanandam. Devaki, the Krishna's mother. Parama Ananda, the great joy. Who gave the greatest joy to the Devaki? Krishna, Jagadguru. And who is the preceptor of the whole world? Jagadguru means what? Who is the preceptor of the whole world? That Krishna we are bowing down. Here Sutam, Devam, Mardanam, Anandam, Krishnam, Jagadgurum are used in the Ditya Vibhakti. See the translation. I bow down to the God who was the son of Vasudeva, who gave the greatest joy to the Devaki, who destroyed Kansa and Chanura, and who is the preceptor of the whole world. Grammar. Vande, let lakaraha. In this shloka, the Tritiya Vibhakti is used. Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gacchati Dhimatam Vyasanena tu Murkhanam Nitraya Kalahena Va. Dhimatam. Dhimatam means the intelligent people. Kalaha means time. Gacchati means pass, means going. How the intelligent people passing their time? The time of intelligent people. Kalo means time. The time of intelligent people is pass. Gacchati means going or pass by the reading of Kavya Shastra Vinodena. Kavya means poetry, Shastra means science, and Vinodena means jokes and all. So they are passing their time in amusement derived from the study of poetry and scripture or science. But Murkhana means the fools. passes their time in nidrya means sleep, kalahena in quarrel, and vyasanena means in the addiction. Here vinodena, vyasanena, murkhanam, kalahena, nidrya, all these nouns are used in tritiya vibhakti. See the translation. The time of the intelligent people is passed by the amusement derived from the study of poetry and science or scriptures, but fools pass their time in addiction, sleep or quarrel. Gacchati, lat lakarah. In this shloka, it's used chaturthi vibhakti. Vidya vivadaya dhanam madaya khalasya shakti parapidhanaya साधहो अस्तु सर्वं विपरीतम एतत् ज्ञानाय दानाय च रक्षणाय. In this shloka, it's comparison of the wicked person and good person. First, the wicked person, vidya vivadaya. The learning for the wicked person is for only arguing with the others. For the wicked person, the learning is for the arguing or quarreling with others. Dhanam madaya. For them the money is pride. Khalasya shakti parapidhanaya. The strength they are using for troubling others. But exactly opposite of the good person. Sadho astu sarvam viparitam etat. Sadho means good person. For the good person is exactly opposite. Jnanaya danaya cha rakshanaya. His learning is for knowledge. Jnanaya. His learning is for knowledge. Jnanaya. The wealth is for charity. Danaya. And strength for protecting. Rakshanaya. And the strength for protecting himself or others. So, vivadaya, madaya, parapidhanaya, jnanaya, danaya, rakshanaya. All these nouns are used in Chaturthi Vibhakti. See the translation. Learning of the wicked person is for arguing with others. His money is for pride, strength for troubling others. In the case of a good person, it is exactly opposite. His learning is for knowledge, wealth for charity, and strength for protecting himself or others. Students, we learned the 4 shlokas. So you have to by heart all the 4 shlokas and their translation also. And please note down in your notebook. Next shlokas we will see in the next video. Dhanyavadah.